on my piece of paper, I'm going to take a black marker and label the top with the title California Regions. Put a box around it so it stands out. And then draw some wavy lines to separate my paper into these 4 sections. Our 4 regions are coastal, valley, and desert. And in each section, we're going to draw a small landscape to represent each one. I'm going to put a little box around each region name here. And I'm also drawing a horizon line. All landscapes that are drawn this way will have a horizon line to show the different layers here. The coastal region, I'm going to draw a couple cliffs and a big wavy line for the shore. A small sunshine with clouds and ripples in the ocean. For the valley region, I'm showing hills in the background with shrubbery, a couple trees, and then rows to show the agriculture and the farming that's happening in the valley. Also going to draw a couple clouds with a sunshine. The desert region, I'm drawing a couple rocky mountains, or at least landforms there, depending on where you are, and this tree that you might see one of these similar in Joshua Tree with some rocks around it. I'm also drawing a big cactus and then a small cactus next to it with a little bit of wispy grass, but not too much grass, and just a couple of rocks with a big sunshine in the desert. And in the mountains, I'm drawing a couple mountains layered and then a stream coming through with some big trees surrounding the stream. And of course the sunshine. Now I love how this looks. I just want to make my first wavy lines I want to make that a little bolder so I can see where these are separated, so it doesn't just look like one big piece. I can see the 4 different landscapes. Now I'm taking my markers and outlining the colors I want to put in each section. And after that, I'm going to take my colored pencils or crayons and color in each section. Now, if you want to go straight to colored pencil and not do the outlining, that works too. I'm just showing here what colors you could put in each part.